Welcome to Indian Market in Minutes from the Motilal Oswal Research Desk. Hey, this is your host Shivangi Sarda, and let's look at what happened globally. The domestic market is likely to open positive and likely to continue the upward momentum due to the robust FII's interest, record high US market, and dovish remarks from the US Fed officials regarding potential interest rate cuts. To start with our first segment for Monday, 23rd of September 2024, Nifty index opened positive above 25,500 and witnessed a gradual upmove in the first half of the session. It witnessed a steep decline midday, which was followed by even steeper recovery, and index moved by more than 400 points from its intraday lows. It touched a fresh all-time high of 25,849 in the last hour and closed with massive gains of around 400 points. It formed a strong bullish candle both on the daily and weekly frame and gave a decisive breakout of the last 3 weeks. India VIX was slightly up by 2.5% to 12.8 levels. Nifty put-call ratio jumped to 1.5 levels. Option data suggests a broader trading range in between 25,300 to 26,300, while immediate range is in between 25,600 to 26,000 levels. Moving on to the second segment, in the equity cash market, FIIs were net buyers to the tune of 14,064 crores, while DIIs were net sellers worth 4,427 crores. FII's index long-short ratio increased to 76%. Going ahead with the index actionable, derivatives data and price setup suggest Nifty has to hold above 25,750 for the next up move towards 26,000, then 26,200, while supports are placed at 25,650, then 25,500. Bank Nifty has to hold above 53,500 for an up move towards 54,250, then 54,500. While on the downside, support shifts higher to 53,500, then 53,333 mark. And finally, talking about the sectors and stocks to watch out, positive stance was seen in all the sectors across board. Now, stocks to keep on radar: from the auto space, we have Escorts and M&M. From the metal pack, JSW Steel looks quite positive. From the banking names, we have ICICI Bank, which is holding on to the higher zones and driving Bank Nifty. From the realty space, we have DLF and Godrej Property now gaining strength. From the other sectors, we have L&T, McDowell, Bharti Airtel, Havells, Indian Hotel and Hindustan Unilever looking quite good. Some weakness could be seen in Glenmark, Concor, Grasim, Oro Pharma, SBI, Gujarat Gas, Laurus Lab, Granules and Federal Bank. Wish you a super trading day ahead and a lovely week too. Shivangi Sarda signing off. Follow this podcast for solid advice. Investment and securities market are subject to market risk. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.